Hey fellow entrepreneurs, Jay is back with another awesome video for you guys, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can make anywhere between $15 and $150 per day using the Fiverr affiliate sales system. And right here on the screen, I've got the affiliate or the commission plan for the Fiverr affiliate system. And what this means is you can offer services such as web development, website builder, CMS, e-commerce development, game development, WordPress website, making music videos, 3D models, product and design, presentations. You can start your own digital business offering any of these services, and you don't even need to know them yourself, because Fiverr is going to pay you to refer people to the gigs on Fiverr, and then you can basically advertise this as your own business in your local community on Facebook. I'm going to teach you a very profitable traffic method with this strategy at the end of this video, but first I'm going to take you through Fiverr and how this new affiliate system works. But what I really like about this, look at all the different services that you can offer. Something like website builders or CMS, e-commerce, game development is going to pay you $50. WordPress websites, lyric and music videos, you refer people to that, you're going to get $40. $30 for web and mobile design, data analysis reports, mobile apps and webs, $25 for blogs, voiceovers, translations, etc., and $15 for all other categories. But remember, on Fiverr, if I come back to Fiverr, for all the various different categories, graphic and design, gaming, packaging and labels, architecture and building design, print design, merchandise, look at all the various different categories that you can earn off of. So Fiverr has now created an affiliate marketing system where you can refer people to these different gigs, and they're going to pay you big commissions for that. So in other words, you could start your own graphic and design community or business, and when you want to offer these skills to people, whether it's perhaps in your local country or you're doing business online, you can refer them to Fiverr to get the work done, and you'll get a commission for that. So you're basically leveraging the expertise of others to get good quality work for your clients, and Fiverr is going to pay you for that. And the best part about this, it's completely free to sign up on Fiverr. You can do this anywhere in the world, no matter where you are. Fiverr is not restricted to any countries, and you don't need any skills or expertise, because I'm going to take you through the step-by-step process in this video, and I'm giving you all the information and resources that you need. And if you stick with me until the end of the video, I'm going to give you a full-on PDF document on affiliate marketing that can get you a lot of traffic and that will get you boosted with this strategy. So make sure to stick with me and don't go anywhere so I can give this to you, because I really want you guys to take action after this video, as I want you guys to get results with this. So with this specific strategy, we're not going to be promoting any gigs or selling or reselling any gigs. This is all affiliate marketing. So the first thing you got to do is sign up your account on Fiverr. It's pretty easy to do. Email, password, some information about yourself. You can then have your account created, and you'll see if you come down to the bottom of Fiverr, there's actually an affiliate page right here under the community tab. Click on affiliates and it will take you to the Fiverr affiliate program, where you can earn by referring people to Fiverr. So this is very different to drop servicing or reselling gigs on Fiverr. This is now a new model called affiliate marketing with Fiverr. And there's actually a lot of information about what you're going to earn on Fiverr's affiliate website. And you can see right here, all you got to do is 3 simple steps. You join as an affiliate, free and easy to get started. You promote Fiverr gigs, which I'm going to give you an awesome traffic strategy, and then start earning, where you can earn up to $150 when your traffic converts. So that $150 is for one person, depending on the kind of gig that they buy. So if I come down a little bit more, there's actually a whole bunch of affiliates here already. There's a big button here that says commission plan. So I'm going to head over to the commission plan quickly. I showed you this already. And the max you can earn off one sale is $150. That meaning for all Fiverr Pro services. So there are some people on Fiverr that have a Fiverr Pro account, and if you refer anybody to that, you're going to earn $150 cost per action per person per sale, which is a huge commission. Even the standard CPA cost per action with Fiverr's normal services is still pretty high, $15 to $50. And what's nice about it, because it's not, gigs aren't ridiculously expensive on Fiverr, especially for web development. I mean, I think the web developers on Fiverr selling their websites for like $20, $30 are really underselling themselves. That means you're going to get a lot of sales as an affiliate, meaning you're going to get a ton of commissions because of the kind of high paid niche this is. So we're going to join as an affiliate quickly. So if I click on, here we go, start earning now, I'm going to sign up as an affiliate. I'll take you through the setup. I'm just going to fill in my information, click on next, and it's going to take you to this page. Tell us a little bit about yourself. How do you plan to promote Fiverr services? So you want to select Facebook, because we're going to be using Facebook, Instagram, we can use blogs as well, other affiliate networks. I'm also going to be using YouTube and content websites. Tell us about your audience interests. So you can pretty much select everything if you want to. Just go select all Fiverr services, agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, and click on register now. So there we go. It will now pop up with this. Congrats, you are a Fiverr affiliate. Click on start doing and it will take you to your login where you can get your dashboard and your links. And this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And you actually already have a ton of marketing tools already that the Fiverr dashboard is going to give you, such as banners, your affiliate link right here. You've also got a ton of different banners. I don't know why the pictures aren't showing up. You've also got private marketing tools and also some of the default links. And this one right here, the Fiverr CPA, is your default tracking link right here. So now what we want to do is we want to copy our tracking link. This is our affiliate link. So when people click on this and order something off of Fiverr, you're going to get your commissions between $15 and $150. So we quickly want to come over to a website called bit.ly, which is a URL shortener where you can actually track the amounts of clicks you get on a specific link. So click on the big create button, paste your long link, click on create, and you'll see my shorter link here has now been created, and I'm going to copy this. And there are 3 platforms that we are going to use to get a ton of traffic. So the first one I'm going to use is called facebook.com. We're going to access private and public Facebook groups where I've got an awesome little copyright script for you that will get a lot of people to click on your affiliate link. I'm also going to use YouTube itself, and I'm going to show you how this will work with YouTube as well as Instagram. And I'm going to show you how to find popular Instagram pages in the specific niche that you're promoting and how to leverage those followers to click on your affiliate link. So I've actually got an awesome little neat template right here that I'm going to use to promote my affiliate link. And I'm going to show you how we're going to integrate this with our traffic strategy. So the first thing we can do is we can actually come over to YouTube, then I'll come over to Facebook just in a bit. But what we can do is we can type on YouTube, let's go WordPress tutorial. So I'm going to use the WordPress gigs on Fiverr under programming and tech, web programming, or WordPress. And I'm basically going to let's come over to this one right here, how to make a WordPress website 2019. And we can actually come down to the comment section, and you'll see there's a lot of people, there's over 3,000 comments on this specific video alone. So this means this community is really, there's a lot of people engaging with each other. So a lot of people are talking to each other, meaning there's always traffic looking at your link, meaning that there's going to be a lot of traffic that will be seeing your link. So we can actually come over to this comment section and we can paste our little link. The thing is, if you comment your link just like this, there's a big chance that you're going to end up in the spam box and that people won't see your comment, and YouTube doesn't like that. So we'll see in the little comment spot here, if I zoom in a little bit, there's actually the bit.ly, and you want to put a space between the bit.ly and put like a little asterisk to make your link stand out. You can see like that. And then I'm going to go enter, and I'm going to paste this long message here, or this little copyright script that I've made. There we go. And we're just going to change it up a little bit. So let's make this a little bit neater. Hi, if you're looking for a WordPress or web designer that can do all of this work for you at a very low price, click on this link and have a look at how many different creators can help you. And this site is very well known and worldwide. So now what you can do is you can manipulate this text to suit all the various different categories on Fiverr. So let's say, for example, programming and tech, mobile applications. We can come back to YouTube and we can type in mobile app tutorial, and you'll see a ton of videos on YouTube that you can use the same comment and link for, but make sure that you put the asterisks and leave a space between the bits.ly so that your comment doesn't get sent to the spam. And keep sifting through YouTube and doing this with every single category and every single video in this category. You can do the same thing with Facebook. So let's go to Facebook groups and we go web development, or web design and development. And you'll see there's a group here with 542k members. So I'm going to click on that. You can join this group and you can paste, for example, let's go web development promo video. We can find free to use promo videos. Here we go on YouTube. You can download these, post them on these groups, and you can say, for example, same message. If you're looking for a web designers that can do all of the work for you at a very low price, click on the link below. And this group with 500k people, a lot of them will be seeing your affiliate link. And once they see the prices on Fiverr, like these guys are charging, if I come over to the WordPress section, they're only charging about 77 Rand, 1,500 Rand, 300 Rand, which is about $30. That's about $100. That's about $5. I mean, $20 to design an entire WordPress website, even $100 is super cheap. There are gurus and professionals charging thousands of dollars to build online websites and businesses. Here you can find people on Fiverr doing it for super cheap. But if you guys want to learn how to build a 5,000 drop servicing business with Fiverr, I've actually created an entire 40-minute video where I built this business live for you guys. Click on the video on the pop-up screen right here and make sure to go and watch that, as this will teach you how to make a full-time passive income, or it will require a little bit of work in the beginning, but it can become passive on Fiverr. It's one of my favorite strategies. It's one of the strategies I use mostly off of YouTube, and I'd like you to go and watch that because I think it will bring you a lot of value and results. But if you guys enjoyed this video or found it super valuable, comment down below what you think of the new Fiverr affiliate system. I'd love to see what you guys have to say about that. I think it is something very profitable because of the fact that you can now offer services, high paid services such as programming, by the click of a button through a link, and not even doing the work yourself. But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the notifications on, that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.